Hi, this is a webinar on how to sign up and log in to the ThinkWave system for teachers. First, you have to be invited by an administrator for the system. To do this, an administrator would go to the Setup tab and under Online Access, click Invite. After selecting the teacher, either enter the email here or click the envelope icon. Or they can also click the print icon and it will generate a printable PDF with sign-in instructions. The administrator can also invite a teacher directly by going to the teacher profile and clicking the invite at the upper right under Online Gradebook. This is also where an administrator can suspend or reset the account. To reset the account, the administrator would click on the circle with an X in it, and this would reset the account without losing any data. The teacher will also have to create a new username and password. To suspend the account, the administrator would have to click the pause icon and click it again to resume. For this video, we'll use the email invite. Once the invite has been sent out from the administrator, you will receive an email with the instructions and a link. Click on the link and you'll be brought to a sign-up page for ThinkWave, and the access code will automatically be entered for you. Then you enter the username, this is case sensitive, then the password, which is also case sensitive. If you already have an account with ThinkWave and just need to add administrator access to your account, then you can add the access code below here. If for some reason the link from the email doesn't work, you can just go to www.thinkwave.com and click Login at the top right. Then below, click on Start Here. You will have to manually copy the access code from the email. Now that you've signed up, here's where you can access all the features available in ThinkWave. The dashboard is your homepage with any of the latest messages available. Click on the Accounts sub-tab, and here's where you have the account and email settings. You can change your name here, and here you can change your email associated with the account. Here you can select if you want email updates if you have parent access. You can select every day or no days at all. And here you can select to send updates even if there's no data available. Click Save if you change any of the data. If you've forgotten your password, you can reset it using your email by going to www.thinkwave.com and click the login at the top right. Then click Forgot Password and enter your email. This will send you an automated reset email. Now back to the login of your new account. And here's a quick rundown of each of the tabs in the ThinkWave system. The Gradebook tab is where you log your grades in the ThinkWave system. For more detailed information, you can click the video help link here. Attendance under the Gradebook tab is where you can track the attendance in the ThinkWave system. The Reports tab allows you to create a different cumulative reports in the ThinkWave system. Anywhere you see this icon here, you can click for a detailed video of the features available. And the Setup tab is where you can find the settings available to customize your ThinkWave account. And this is how you set up your new ThinkWave account access. Thanks for watching.